In this video, in couple minutes, I would like to share with you how to replace a rear window wiper blade on Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's get started, and first we have to remove the plastic cover cap. Then using 12mm socket, remove the nut. Good. Pull the wiper arm out. Guys, if it's helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. Then turn your wiper blade perpendicular, push that clip in and pull the blade down. As you can see, it will come out. Sometimes you can push it by hand, but some small flat screwdriver works. This is a hook style wipers, and that's why they call hook. Okay, there is a new one, same size, same style. Here we go, the bumblebee was inside that blade somehow. Okay, and as you can see, it's slightly newer design. Same way we're going in, push that hook in and latched with a lock, and it's locked. And now we have to put that bracket down and secure it. All right, all the way in, click, and it will stay. It has no way to go. And now, yeah, just the same way we removed, let's put it back. I'm using anti-seize compound on that stud because sometimes they get rusted and break. All right, now remove that plastic protector from the blade and make sure wiper arm is parallel to the bottom of the rear window. Started it nut and yeah, tied it up. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Very appreciated your time. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you like it, thumbs up, and if you have any comments, suggestions, critics, please put it down in the comment section below. And now we have a new wiper blade installed, and sometimes just spray that silicone based lubricant to let that rubber stay new longer. Alright, see you soon, bye bye.